have the CircleDNA package, and I'm gonna unbox it in front of you and we can look into it together. So here we have the Circle Premium DNA Collection Kit. There is like a bracelet that says change, and here is the DNA kit that I'm going to with. Okay, so step 1, register this kit. So you have to download the app with the QR code here and then register ourselves. So after I register, I will have to take out the tube and then scan the barcode here. So let me scan it. Okay, so step 2, that is the very interesting part. Okay, it's collecting the sample. So here we have the swabber thingy. So make sure you don't touch the tip. Okay, so 30 minutes before swabbing, you cannot eat, drink, smoke, and mouthwash or like chewing gum whatsoever. So keep your mouth as it is for 30 minutes. So all I need to do is swab each side 10 times and then put into the tube. So here it is, and I'm going to slowly put it in, make sure it doesn't spill anything out. Okay, so it's inside already, tightly, and then shake it for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so after shaking for 10 times, I will have to put into this sample return bag. So after swabbing and collecting the DNA, I will have to send it back to the lab and then wait for the results that will come back around 18 days. So I really can't wait for the results because I can check out my dietary results, like for example what I can eat, what I cannot eat, or what are the effective exercise for me, and genetic wise and ethnicity, like whether am I full Chinese or like maybe mix a bit Korean, Japanese, I don't know. So can't wait to check out the results in 18 days, so I'll check back in. So the results are back. I did the CircleDNA test a few weeks ago and I finally got it back. I am feeling very nervous and excited at the same time because I don't know what I will know more about myself, because I believe I know myself quite well already, but I think I'll find something new about myself anyways. So let's get to it. So now I'm on the app already, and once you open the app, right, you can see different results such as diet, nutrition, well-being, stress and sleep, pollution and skin sensitivity and stuff. And also you can see like your talents in sports, discover your ancestry, origins, and more like family planning, and also risk of like any cancer or like health issues or diseases as well, and whatever you are more sensitive to, etc. So let's get into it. Let's start with my diet. So as you can see from my diet type, I should eat more of the Mediterranean food such as seafood, fish, salmon, crab, oysters, and whatsoever. All the seafood that you can name off, you can think of, I should eat more of that. Alcohol, caffeine, tea, normal. Fat sensitivity, high. Okay, so as when you want to click on all those results, right, and you can see that recommendation, what are the good fats, bad fats, and then also good fats. So I must stay away from like fast food. Okay, everybody have to not eat so much of those, but once in a while it will be fine, right? A lot of people actually recommend me to try out keto diet and everything, but now that I got my results back, I believe that I don't have to try it because I'm fat sensitive. So keto is high fat diet. So at least now I know that not all diet programs actually work for everyone. So it's very important for you to know your results and then find out what actually suits you better. So yeah. And then carbohydrate sensitivity, high, salt high, oh my gosh. Okay. Honestly, I can tell by myself that I gained a lot from carbs and salt. So when I was on a diet, I actually cut a lot of carbs. So I don't eat carbs and I eat almost bland food. But it was so difficult for me. Oh, I didn't know that I was lactose intolerant. Okay, maybe a bit. But anyway, I can take soy milk. Okay, so next time if I go to Starbucks or whatsoever, I'll opt for soy milk instead. Spice sensitivity. I love my spicy food. I love my chili. Taste sensitivity is super tasty. When I eat sweet things, it's really sweet for me. When I eat bitter, it's really very bitter. Sweet tooth. Honestly, I don't think I'm a sweet tooth. Weight regain, average. Detox, cruciferous meats. Okay, good, because I eat a lot of bok choy myself. Watercress. I love my watercress soup. Okay, so for nutrition wise, antioxidants normal, calcium normal. Okay, I need to take more folic acid and iodine. Folic acid is vegetables and beans. I'm not really a bean person, but I will replace it with vegetables. I can take sushi. That's good. Okay, no wonder they asked me eat more Mediterranean food because I need more omega-3. Well-being. Appetite control. Does it mean I eat a lot? Like I have no self-control when it comes to food. That's true. Okay, it's more normal when it comes to my well-being. Okay, stress and sleep. Normal, normal. Yes, I'm an insomniac because I sleep like around 3 to 4 a.m. Like I really cannot sleep even though I'm so tired, but I just keep rolling. I just fall asleep after like watching food videos. Okay, so stress tolerance, I'm a neutralist. Oh, okay, at least I'm not a worrier. I thought I would be a warrior because, okay, maybe not. Because I don't really have much stress. That's a good thing. Skin, okay, skin. I have a mature skin age. So sad. Okay, acne risk high, glycation risk average. Okay, my skin wrinkle formation high. Okay, I need to take good care of my skin now. More care for my skin. For the sports and fitness part, you get to see like what are the more optimal sports type that you can do that is good for you and is more useful for your body. So for the sports type, I should do like rowing, skiing and football. Success traits. Okay, let's do this. Oh my gosh. IQ normal, EQ normal. Everything is normal. Okay lah, I'm a very average girl. Music and dance. Ooh, my dancing ability is gifted. Okay, I know what to do now. My musical ability is gifted as well. Okay, so for my CCA, I was in like musical, maybe that's why. And I love to sing my KTV songs. So maybe that's why I'm gifted? No. But I will try to use this results and maybe go towards dancing and singing. That's fun to see. Oh, okay. So the part that I was looking forward to, my ancestry compositions. Hi Sherry, welcome to your ancestry composition. Okay, that's everything. I understand. Okay, I'm Chinese. I thought maybe I have like a bit of Japanese and Korean blood in me, but no. I'm full Chinese. Okay, Southeast Asian. Okay, Vietnamese a little bit. Middle East. Oh, cannot see. European 000. Moving on to personality traits. Agreeableness, likely competitive and challenging. Am I competitive? Never mind. Conscientiousness, easygoing. Yes, I'm very easygoing. Yes, I'm quite an introvert actually. Behavioral traits. Alcohol addiction, less likely. Food addiction, less likely. Obsession with washing and cleaning, more likely. Ah, that makes sense. Even though my house is a little bit messy when I'm having gathering with friends or whatsoever, I do have a little bit of OCD when it comes like, oh, the table is a bit wet. I will have to clean it because I can't see, like, it's just a bit uncomfortable. Physical traits. Facial body hair normal, body odor normal, ear position less likely. Okay. Waist circumference likely larger. Yes, that is true. I don't have small waist. Whatever you see online is all fake. Nah, kidding. It's just that I'm fat already, okay? Cancer risk. Okay. So for my genetic results, there is no cancer causing mutation. So overall, I'm actually quite lucky or quite safe because they didn't test anything. This DNA test actually can test out some stuff like cancer causing mutation might be detected, so it's quite good for you guys to actually try out this test as well. So if you find out earlier, maybe you can do something about it earlier as well. Dementia and brain health. Alzheimer's disease. Okay, I need to start working on my brain. So when you got your DNA report back, not only you can check on your results, but you can also have a consultation session with the health consultant and also like genetic counseling and everything, so you can understand more about the results that you have and everything. So that's all for my DNA report, and I'm honestly quite happy with my results, and I know myself even better now. Wellness is the new wealth, so why not get yourself tested and then know yourself better, and also tell me your skin age when you find out your results, because my skin age is mature and I cannot. So you can check out the link below. I will actually put like where you can get this from, or you can even read up more about CircleDNA and then think about it. Maybe it can help you with your family planning, your health and diet, and also to know your ancestry. Thank you CircleDNA for sending me this test. I'm very happy, and go and try yours now.